In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail desktop notifications. By the end, you'll have alerts popping up on your computer whenever new messages arrive so you can stay on top of important emails without constantly checking your inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're actually looking at your inbox so the settings apply to the right account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. A small panel called Quick Settings will appear. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page, which gives you access to every available option. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where you decide how and how often Gmail notifies you on your desktop. You'll see three choices. New mail notifications on means you'll get a notification every time a new email hits your inbox or primary tab. This is great if you want to be alerted to all incoming messages. Important mail notifications on narrows it down to messages Gmail marks as important or urgent based on your past activity and filters. Choose this if you want fewer, more focused alerts. Mail notifications off disables desktop notifications entirely, which can be useful if you need uninterrupted time. Pick the option that best fits how you like to work. Remember, you can change this anytime if your needs shift. There's also an optional sound setting. If you prefer an audible cue, select a sound from the available list. If you'd rather keep your workspace quiet, choose no sound so notifications appear silently. A simple way to test your setup is to send yourself an email and see what happens on your screen. That helps you confirm you've